Let's warm up today with the ng sound. Yeah, ng. Most of these vocal warm-ups sound very silly, but I bet you can bank on it. It is very effective. So you can use this on your scale, on your arpeggio, or on a siren. The ng sound helps in building forward facial resonance. It releases tension in your tongue and in your jaw, and it also helps in connecting your head and your chest vocal registers. So you can go or you can go or you can go So let me know in the comment section, will you be trying out this exercise?